Hello everybody, my name is Allison Lamanti, and I'd like to welcome you to my 5th book critique. In this book critique, we'll cover 5 different books. They will be in the genre historical fiction and informational books. The first book we have is One Crazy Summer. Author Rita Williams Garcia. Genre historical fiction. Award Newbery Medal. This book is for reading levels 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. The second book we have is The Gardener. Author Sarah Stewart. Illustrated by David Small. Genre historical fiction. Award Caldecott Medal. This book is for reading levels kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade. The third book we have The Courage of Sarah Noble. Author Alice Dalglish. Illustrated by Leonard Weisgard. Genre historical fiction. Award Newbery Medal. Reading level 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. The fourth book we have is Locomotive. Author and illustrated by Brian Flocka. Genre informational book. Award Caldecott Medal. Reading level 2nd grade, 3rd grade, and 4th grade. The fifth book we have The Right Word, Brigitte and His Thesaurus. Author Jennifer Bryant. Illustrated by Melissa Sweet. Genre informational book. It was awarded the Caldecott Medal and the Golden Kite Award for picture book illustration. Reading levels kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. For this video, we will have one featured text. This featured text will be accompanied by 2 lessons. For this video, our featured text is Locomotive. The book Locomotive is about an 1800s train. It talks about the train, crew, and family that are traveling on America's first transcontinental railroad. The story tells about the trip, the sounds, the speed, and the strength of the locomotive, the workers that make the train move, and the thrill of the trip. The first lesson we have is a 2nd grade English lesson. It is accompanied with the Common Core Standard. Students will read the text with a partner. They will then identify different figures of speech. They will do this independently. After identifying 2 examples of an alliteration, repetition, simile, and onomatopoeia, they will then regroup with their partner and discuss why those figures of speech were put in the story. They will discuss with their partner to confirm one answer for the group. We will then discuss as a whole class why different figures of speech is used to emphasize meaning. Here are some examples in the story. Simile, small as a closet. Repetition, hard work, hot work. Onomatopoeia, clung, clung. Alliteration, made for crossing the country. The second lesson we have is a 3rd grade social studies lesson. It is accompanied with Ohio Learning Standard. Students will be learning about how the railroad improved the lives of citizens around it. They will learn how to improve transportation of citizens and goods. Students will use the website Powtoon to create a video with voiceover about the different people involved with the locomotive. After creating their video individually, we will share it with our class and upload our videos to our class website for the parents to see. Students must create a video with voiceover about the people involved with the locomotive. They must cover at least 5 people and have at least 1 fact for every individual. They can use passenger, railroad worker, brakeman, and many more. Here's a link to a Powtoon I created for my students to watch.
Locomotive. Locomotive was an 1800s steam engine. It was 50 feet long and 40 tons. Let's meet the team on the engine. The captain is in charge of the whole train. He lets everybody know when it's time to get moving. The engineer is in charge of releasing the steam easily to get the train moving. The brakeman turns the wheel when the captain calls for the train to stop. The fireman keeps the fire going. He shovels coal into the fire, and that boils the water, which creates steam, and that's how the engine moves. The butcher is a boy who walks up and down the aisle selling items. He sells newspapers, towels, and snacks.
I'd like to to thank everybody for watching my video. All information was retrieved from the links below.